This video demonstrates how to buy shares of Heidmar Maritime Holdings Corp., a maritime services and vessel operations company trading on NASDAQ under the ticker HMR. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy HMR, you need a brokerage account. We'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your identity, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker HMR to locate the listing. Select the result that reads Heidmar Maritime Holdings Corp. To open the asset page. On the asset page, review the brief company description and the price chart to confirm the correct Heidmar listing. Also check that the exchange shown is NASDAQ and the ticker is HMR before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to submit. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set for the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After execution, your HMR position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.